Yeah, a nice big Brinks lock here. Let's see. It's weatherproof, obviously. Let's see, I believe it has 5 pins. I'm assuming it has security pins as well, because the last Brinks, the small Brinks lock I have that I just put away, has security pins, and it's smaller than this one. Start in the back. Feel all the pins, find out which one is binding. There we go. Got a false set. You see how much of that turned right there, which is definitely a key indicator. There's a spool pin there. See if we can get some kind of rotation in there. Let's get a deeper pick. That one's good. That one's good. This one. There we go. Found that sucker. The spool pin way in the back. It's the 4th pin. And there we go. There you have it. That's a Brinks lock. 5 pins. Definitely had a few spools in it. Thanks for watching. Forgot to show the key for the Brinks. Here it is. It's decent bidding. Alright.